School events, annual days, Father's Days, Mother's Days. Do you think these are beautiful events? Yes, I believe so. These are beautiful, but not for every child. Sometimes they can trigger the emotional distress in the kids. So, I have seen children quietly stepping back because they are informed or they have to fill a form saying, bring your mother or your father and your father for the activity, or an activity saying that make a card for your dad. And that child smile outside but inside thinks something is missing in my family, right? Something is missing. So, as a principal, let me say this very clearly: no school event should make a child feel incomplete, right? So, what schools can do, I will just tell you some predictable and some strong, actionable steps that what school can do is always say, bring your parent or a special person, like it can be their grandparents, it can be their aunts, anyone, right? Celebrate family day instead of labeling some days, right? Train your teachers to give options, not assumptions. Inclusive vocabulary is very important. It's the responsibility of the teacher. So, these are some steps that schools can do. And I'll also give some kind of suggestions or solutions for the single parents. Now, as a single parent, it is your duty to prepare your child and say, you can take me or anyone you love, right? You can take me. I'm your father, I'm your mother. Before the event, explain. All families are different and our is also different, but we are strong, right? Never show hesitation, you show your confidence because that confidence is reflected in your child also. Right now, what is the child behavior in these circumstances? When a child feel accepted, they participate freely everywhere. So they'll not withdraw themselves, they'll not avoid the stage, absenteeism will not increase, and they'll not go out for attention, right? So sometimes, if they are doing so, you consider it as a misbehavior. Plus, please don't consider it as their misbehavior. It's an emotional discomfort which they are going through. So, um, I close my I close my suggestion with this, that let us stop designing events for a perfect families and start creating spaces for the real ones. Follow my page for real parenting and real school solutions that actually work. Thank you so much.